Hello, everybody. You're welcome to this channel once again, where we discuss English language topics and also literature in English. Any topic at all on these two subjects, we are available. So today's lesson is going to be on diphthong sounds as we have them in English language. Previously, we discussed monophthongs as we have them in English as well. So this is another session on vowel sounds. What are diphthongs? These are phonetic symbols usually written in pairs. That is, they are written in two phonetic symbols where one glides together with the other. These sounds are 8 in number, and we are going to look at what they are and how they appear in English words. So let's get going and see what they look like. Good. We have diphthongs examples. The first one on the list, you need to pay attention in order to see how these sounds are pronounced. The first one, we have two phonetic symbols there. We have A and E. So these two are pronounced as A, A, A. Good. Now let's look at how they appear in English words. This particular diphthong sound appear where we have letter A, but it is not all letter A in English words. When you pronounce the words, you will know whether it is this sound you are pronouncing. So also we have this sound in EI words, also AI words and AY words. That is why I presented this in different forms for you to know where this sound appear in English words, and also word example for each of how this sound appear in English words. So the first word we have wake, wake. Good. The second one is weigh, weigh. When you measure something by putting a fish or meat on the scale, you weigh it. Good. Another one is tail, tail. Bravo. The next one, which is the last one in that category, is ray, ray. Bravo. Now let's move to the other sound. This, we have something like E that turns backward and also upside down. So this in phonetics is called h, pronounced as h. Now we have another one with it, u. So both we have in this next pronunciation as a o, o. That diphthong is pronounced as o, o. Good. Now this particular diphthong sound appears in English words with o, oa, ew, ow, oe, ou. These are the forms that you have this word appearing in English words, but it is not all these formations. When you pronounce, you will know whether it is this sound or not. So let's look at the word examples that we have there one after the other. The first word on the list is code, code. Good. The next is boat, boat. Good. The next is so, so. Good. OW formation, we have slow, slow. Good. OE, we have toe, toe. Good. And the last one is OW. We have though, though. Good. Now let's progress to the next sound. We have two phonetic symbols there as well, and this is pronounced as I. I. Bravo. Let's look at the word examples. The first one we have fight. That is I representation, word with I, but not all I words. So we have fight. Under UY formation, we have guy. Guy. You can observe the sound there. And the IE words, we have pie. Pie. Good. The why he words, we have I. That covers the whole word. I. Good. Then where we have Y formation, we have the word cry. Cry. Bravo. Now to the last one on the list under this category, we have how. Ow. Ow. That is the sound. So this sound appears in two formations or two forms. The first one is OU words, OW words. So the first one is found. Found. Bravo. The next one is OW word. Down. Down. Good. Let's progress to the other side to see the remaining four, because I said we have 8 of them in English language. All right, here is the remaining part of the diphthong sound. The first one on the list here is pronounced as O and E. So we have oi. Oi. Good. This oi appears in English words with OY, OI, OUY. Now let's look at the words we have there. Annoy. Annoy. Good. The second one we have point. Point. You can observe the sound oi there. And the last one there is boy. Boy. Bravo. Let's progress to the next sound. We have E and H. So the sound is here. Here. Good. This sound appears in English words with EA, but not all the EA words. EE, but not all the EE words. EI, but not all the EI words. ERE, but not all. Now let's examine the words we have there. Let's pronounce them. Beard. Beard. Good. Peer. Peer. Good. Weird. Weird. Bravo. Here. Here. Good to go. Now let's go to the next sound also. There we have two phonetic symbols, O and H. So there we have OA. 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 Good. This sound appears where we have OOR, OUR, URE, U. Let's look at the words and pronounce them. The first one is poor. Poor. Bravo. The next is tour. Tour. Good. And next is shower. Shower. Bravo. And the last one is ensure. Ensure. Good. So from today, know the barrel pronunciation of these words. Let's go to the last category of this lesson. We have the two sounds and her. So there we have her, air, air. Bravo. This air sound appears in English words with ARE, but not all. AIR, but not all. EAR, but not all. ERE, but not all. EIR, and not all. So let's look at the word examples that we have under the air sound. The first one is care. Be careful. Care. Good. The next is chair. Chair. Don't say cheer. It's not cheer. It is chair. Chair. Good. The next thing is swear. Swear. I swear. Not swear or swear. I swear. Good. The next is there. There, not dear. There are. There are. Bravo. And the last one is hair. That H, when you pronounce, you must have something like the free flow of the hair coming from the lung. So we have hair, the hair apparent. Good. So here comes the end of the session today. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, enable your bell so as to have the notification of some more videos to come on this channel, and remain blessed. But do not forget to comment on the box below the video so I will know your opinion. Remember, we still have some sounds to examine. We have triphthongs under the vowel sound. So also we have consonant sounds available in English, those that are plosive, those that are fricative, those that are stopped, voiced, voiceless, and some others. So, bye bye for now, and always keep safe. Thank you.